Welcome. This video covers pairing your smartphone via Bluetooth in the Audi A4 B8 2007 to 2015. We'll focus on phone and audio connections. While the system is dated, it's still functional. We'll cover the basics and discuss modern upgrade options. First, ensure your A4 B8 has Bluetooth. Typically, models with MMI or multimedia interface have Bluetooth, especially higher trims with concert or symphony radio from around 2009 onward. The system uses Bluetooth 2.0 or 2.1. Basic pairing allows hands-free calls and A2DP audio streaming. First, enable Bluetooth in your Audi by navigating to Car, then Setup, Phone, and Manage Devices. Next, put your smartphone in pairing mode. On the MMI, select Search for Devices. Enter the PIN, which is usually 0000 or 1234. Confirm the pairing on both devices. Finally, enable Bluetooth audio in your phone settings for music playback. Experiencing problems? Common issues include interference or outdated firmware. Try clearing paired devices on both your car and phone. Then restart the MMI by holding the power button for 10 seconds. Ensure your phone's Bluetooth is discoverable. The A4 B8's Bluetooth system has several limitations despite its functionality. It supports pairing with up to 4 phones, but only one can be actively connected at any time. Audio quality is compressed due to the older Bluetooth version, and voice command latency can be noticeable during use. Security relies on a simple PIN system, which can be vulnerable to outdated exploits. This diagram shows typical Bluetooth interactions, but the A4 B8's limitations restrict full modern functionality. The stock Bluetooth system in the Audi A4 B8 lacks modern features like wireless CarPlay or Android Auto. Aftermarket kits from companies like Pioneer or Alpine are available to modernize connectivity. These kits enable wireless mirroring and support modern Bluetooth profiles like HFP for hands-free calling, A2DP for audio streaming, and AVRCP for remote control. For example, Alpine systems offer wireless CarPlay and Android Auto integration. The data flow diagram shows how audio streams from the device to the car system using these profiles for improved performance. These upgrades provide seamless mirroring for iPhone and Android devices with improved Bluetooth stability and performance. Many Audi A4 B8 owners successfully upgrade to Android-based head units for wireless CarPlay and Android Auto integration. These retrofits replace the original MMI system with modern capabilities. Retrofit kits typically cost between $300 and $800, providing affordable access to wireless smartphone features. The process involves replacing the original MMI unit and requires careful consideration of your car's CAN bus system for proper integration. Looking ahead, while Audi no longer provides official updates for the A4 B8, aftermarket solutions are keeping these vehicles relevant in the modern smartphone era. Retrofits allow upgrading to newer Bluetooth technology, ensuring compatibility with current smartphones and enabling features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Community-driven hacks continue to enhance stability, addressing issues like dropped connections on newer devices. By 2030, most B8 owners are expected to opt for full infotainment replacements to stay connected.